Alrighty. Told y'all I would get my niece in here at some point. It's my niece.
Hey.
Okay. Leah. My muffin. If you ever hear me refer to my muffin, this is my muffin. Right now we have Sakura 12. And she is not waiting on me, but that's okay. I'm sorry. I guess it's a mukbang. Can you keep your tongue in your mouth?
I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry. The baby hungry. Her birthday's tomorrow. She'll be 17 and she's a senior and she's an awesome student. Very smart. Oh, she's praying. My bad. So, what'd you get?
I got some chicken hibachi with no mushroom.
Let's see.
They got some zucchini and some onions. The ghetto. They didn't put carrots in it.
Oh, they probably did mine. I got steak. So,
That's so ghetto.
yeah, the carrots is what makes it.
And they didn't. They always put.
Yeah, they took the mushroom out, but they didn't give us any carrots.
Wow.
Oh well, we'll figure it out. We'll make it work. I know my phone is ghetto. Put a yum yum sauce. I always got to get the extra yum yum sauce. You don't care, do you? You just want to eat.
So cool.
And I got me a peace tea. What is this? Lemon? Strawberry? Is it
Tea and lemonade.
tea and lemonade? This is an Arnold Palmer.
Have you had Turkey Hills? Tea and lemonade?
I had their strawberry lemonade. No, strawberry kiwi.
Turkey Hill tastes
That's
like
what I got in
wings.
there. Nope. I finished it all. Never mind.
So good. I was not eating that lunch food. Not today.
Sorry. See, that's better. I just need to scoot it back a little bit. But yeah. I don't want to wolf it down. But I got to get it down because I'm going to get a tattoo here in a second. Add to my collection. Is it good, boo?
Anyway.
Yeah, talk to the people.
I don't know what to talk about. What's the topic?
What you want to... Tell them what you're doing for your birthday tomorrow.
Nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
Chilling. Might go to a football game. That's about it.
Who y'all playing? Who y'all playing?
Station.
Oh! Her high school is playing my old high school. Y'all gonna get whooped.
Station's trash. All the good boys left. We went to Bourbon. And some Douglas boys went to Bourbon.
Okay. Whatever.
But they might.
The onion.
Yeah, people be tripping on onions. How much they make.
Onion makes everything better. I don't care. And I really wasn't a fan of the zucchini in here. But it's pretty darn good. I'm just for real. They left out the carrots. We both said no mushroom. And that's it. When I DoorDash them in the special instructions, I put in all caps, remove mushroom only. Like, don't take out nothing else. Because one time they gave me just steak and rice. I said no mushroom. They gave me just steak and rice. No broccoli, no onion, no zucchini, no carrots, steak and rice. I just wanted the mushroom gone. And an egg roll.
Can you eat it? Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not the biggest fan of an egg roll unless it's from Happy China. I feel like the pork that be in it be mushy. I don't like mushy pork.
Happy China egg rolls are. We need to do that next time.
See, their pork is mushy. I'm not a fan of that.
It's not hot anymore either, but I'm gonna eat it. Not much talking to do when the food is good. We're gonna try. I do like the vegetables. Sometimes the steak is they overdid the steak this time. Sometimes it's just right.
I don't like steak.
She's weird.
No, it's just not good. There's no point in eating it. Like, what do you gain from eating a steak? Nothing.
What do you get from eating noodles?
I don't eat noodles all the time.
I eat steak all the time. Amen.
Noodles are good. Steak.
Take them through a typical day in the life of Christian. Start to finish.
Like a school day?
Any day. Pick a day. It's your life. It's your this is your moment. I'm gonna eat.
Well, usually I stay on TikTok all day. Yeah, because, yeah, it's TikTok, and that's the only good thing in my life sometimes. And I love it. So, yeah. If they got rid of it, I would literally die. Like, there's no way. No, literally, there's no way.
So you wake up in the morning and TikTok? And you TikTok all you...
Yes.
Like, what do you do from start to finish?
I wake up. I sit in the bed. I watch TikTok all day, and then like every 10 minutes I'll get up and like stand in the middle of my floor and do dances. And then when I get hot and out of breath, I get back in the bed, and then I do that for a few more hours until I see that there's no more light outside. And then when there's no more light, I get in the shower and get right back on TikTok. Day in the life.
What's the school day like?
Wake up early. Go to school.
What about your classes?
My classes are boring. They're okay, but I mean, I'm a senior, so I don't got a lot to do. So, you know.
She's a senior.
Nah, for real, I think my senioritis did hit. Like, it's a different. Like, it's almost like you don't give a care in the world.
Senioritis 2 weeks in?
Yes.
Okay. And she's TikToking.
As we speak of TikTok, someone commented
That's
on
what I
my
was about
video.
to say. She's on TikTok on her phone. Either TikTok or Snapchat. This child sends me snaps all day long. All day long. And I better respond, or I will get a hate text. I cannot leave her on open. Can't leave her on nothing. I have to respond somehow, some way. Or she might come over here and kill me.
No, for real. I mean, you gotta watch it. Like, it'd be funny. It'd be so funny. And it hits different at like 1 in the morning. It's way different.
You know what hits at 1 in the morning? That good pillow. My Tempur-Pedic pillow. Yes. No. girl. Show your nails.
They crusty, but no.
I think I'm gonna go get my nails done.
Next time I do, I'm just getting S&S on my natural nail.
I'm done with Kroger. Like, for real. I decided I was gonna be nice and turn in a 2-week notice. Then I said, for what? I ain't coming back. My part-time job, not my main job. Not my big money. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go back. I worked Sunday night and Monday night, so I get paid for those 2 days. Excuse me, next week. If people be burping out loud, I can't do that just yet. Oops, notification.
I do.
Yeah, we know.
But I'm not going to do it because we're sitting face to face.
Please. I think I've shimmied on every video. Everything I posted where I've eaten, I've shimmied.
How much you done posted?
I got a few going. Got some nice words of encouragement.
I think I'm getting full.
Yeah, and I don't want to wait too late to go over there. Like I said, I'm getting my tattoo. I don't think I'm gonna record it. I'll see what he says. And if he's cool, then I'll record it. If not, y'all just see it after. You good?
TikTok's in my head.
Anything you want to say to the people?
Be great. Words of encouragement.
You're not going to tell them to like, share, and subscribe?
Oh, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Maybe her socials will be in the description box below. Lord knows.
I gotta do that. Thank you. See, she's so smart.
Nah, I do this for real. Little do you know.
She does this for real. I do it for play, but apparently, I thought that was a shadow. It's my hair. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up so I can get across
They got
town.
a lot of broccoli.
I know they got, and I don't mind. You know, some people skimp on the most important part, which is the meat. But with them, I don't care because their vegetables and everything else be so good. The carrots be good, but we can get no carrots this time. You dropping it on my floor.
It fell on my hand.
All right, for real. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Keep peace. Stay strong. Amen.